name is Naib Mohammad Acthaf. Basically, I am from Andhra Pradesh. There itself, I had completed my 10th and 12th education. After that, I go to Chennai to do my BTech in Crescent Institute of Science and Technology in mechanical engineering. After pursuing my mechanical engineering, due to this COVID, I go to my home, and after that, I did everything, my education, everything in online, which I can't get properly into my mind. That's why with that problem, I can't even attempting that aptitude questions, whatever they are telling in that mechanical background companies. That's why on October 21st, I came to Besant as a fresher in mechanical, who don't know, with zero knowledge in CS field. Now I had completed my course of 1.5 months. After that, because of that, my manager Vignesh, he had suggested me to give my number so that he can continuously send some companies call letters to, so that I can attend that companies. At the beginning, I had attended 5 to 4 companies, and in that companies I had cracked 2 companies first round. After that, in HR round, I keep on getting eliminating because of my lack knowledge in that particular courses. As I told them, I belongs to mechanical field, but even though they are not allowing me, even though you are belong to mechanical field, you had to be good knowledge in that particular field, whatever you are studying right now. After that, I had given interview to Digital Cloud Solutions, which is belong to Coimbatore company. I cracked that first round. After that, within a day, I had another round, HR round in online only, who took by Sajid sir of Cloud Tech Solutions. At the beginning, he encouraged me a lot, as he know that I clearly tell him that sir, I basically belongs to mechanical field. I don't have that much knowledge regarding Python. After that, at the beginning, he asked me, whatever you know, you tell me. If that thing fits with my company's procedure, I can allow you, otherwise I will not. Like that, he clearly told me. After that, whatever I know, I told him. As in Besant, I had studied SQL, Python and machine learning. So far, I had completed my SQL within 2 weeks by Vignesh sir. After that, Hakim sir took my Python classes. Now, so far, I had completed 3/4 of my class. After that, I told that Sajid sir that this much I know regarding strings. I don't know much about functions. I only know list of strings, tuples, like the topics are means. He asked me questions regarding that one. I tell him everything. After that, that's okay. And he asked me some basic questions. Where are you from? Like that. After telling that, he told me that my HR will talk to you if you got selected. Otherwise, you won't get any reply from our HR, like that. After 2-3 days, on Monday, I got basically this everything had happened on Friday. After on Monday, I got a call letter from Hema that you have selected for an internship in our company. Later that, at the beginning, you will get a pay scale of 10,000 per month. If you got selected in that internship round, means we will continue you as a long-term employee, like that. This is my journey so far in Besant. Now still I am studying data science. That's all.